As a part of the 12th annual Indie Grits Festival, the Indie Grits Lab hosted a Kindie Grits animation workshop on Saturday, April 14th. At the workshop, kids were able to explore the techniques used in traditional and stop-motion animation, using film, digital apps, and tools such as clay and construction paper. One of the traditional animation activities had students draw their own 24-frame animations on clear celluloid. An adult volunteer taught them how to splice film and then gave them the opportunity to try it on their own. After the reel-to-reel projector was loaded, the students' animated works were showcased on the screen. In another room, students used a variety of tools to create stop-motion animation. Using a stop-motion app and an iPad camera, the kids took still photos, which the app then stitched together into a short film.